dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The ex-speaker of Edo State House of Assembly and others have rejoined APC by people to be small matter. Moving on to the next one. The new Nigeria People Party, NNPP, has accused the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, of undue interference and taking side in the party's internal leadership crisis. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it hurts. In case it's the first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. My people, don't be small castle they happen for Edo State. Now the former speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Francis Okoye, a former governorship aspirant under the People Democratic Party, Honorable Felix Akiwa, former Deputy Chief of Staff, Office of the Deputy Governor, Kingsley Ayigemose, and thousands of their supporters on Sunday rejoined the All Progressive Congress at a rally Uromi, headquarters of Eastern North-East local government area. The three had a few days ago resigned from the People Democratic Party (PDP) for alleged exclusion by the Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. They were received by the acting state chairman of the APC, Emperor Jared, accompanied by several other party leaders, including the party's governorship candidate, Senator Monday Okpeholo, and his running mate, Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Akpeholo said that he was happy to be back home. He further said that the defection was the beginning of a movement that will sweep victory for the APC in Edo Central and the state as a whole in the forthcoming 2024 governorship election. On the part of Okoye, he said that they had met and they discussed and asked Governor Godwin Obaseki led PDP government to address the issue of alienation, disillusion, and high-handedness. But nothing has been done to address the issue. So that is why they have to just give Obaseki and the led PDP a red card. That their movement to APC will help the party and they will be simple with their analysis. Because as it stands now, in democracy, vote matters. So their exit from PDP is a minus to the party, whether anybody likes it or not, or to interpret it otherwise. That if they are democratic, they will know that at least they have lost their votes, not to talk of many others that have moved to APC. That with what happened today, they have lost a minimum of 500 votes, and these 500 people also have people they can connive to work for APC. And people don't be small matter. They said very soon they are going to begin the house-to-house campaign soon, and they will let people know why they must leave PDP and join APC. That they must vote for a candidate that is human and not business people who are in the state to make profits. So PDP should be ready for them because they're not going to get votes this time around, because they are going to corrupt the people's mind and tell them what is going on in PDP. And that will make the people not to vote for that party. My people don't be small matter. They have to resolve this issue before the election, because things are going to go wayward with the way people are defecting to APC because of what Governor Godwin Obaseki is doing and his action towards them. That is why the people are leaving the party. I hope they resolve that issue soon. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Your contributions and opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The new Nigeria People Party has accused the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, of undue interference and taking side in the party internal leadership crisis. The party has also advised the INEC chairman, Prof. Mahmudu Yakubu, to look into alleged attendance of their splinter group convention by the commission staff, even when they were served with court notice challenging the illegal convention. So in their statement signed on Sunday by the National Secretary, Comrade Ogini Olaposi Sunday, the party insisted that INEC chairman must fish out the responsible staff and ensure that they are punished. They noted that INEC must remain neutral in the NNPP internal crisis as required by law, that without prejudice to the integrity, honor and leadership of the INEC chairman. So they are using this medium to remind Yakubu Mahmoud that the successes and otherwise of electoral processes in Nigeria largely depend on the level of political leadership of the commission under his watch. So it is their right to know that INEC as a commission has the mandate to regulate and control electoral processes in Nigeria in accordance with the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and electoral guidelines, and this will be without prejudice to the partial autonomy and independence of political parties to regulate and control themselves in accordance with their respective constitution. The NNPP pointed out that the court, including the Supreme Court of Nigeria, had made several pronouncements in relation to the liberty and authority of political party on matter of self-regulation and control of their affairs, administration and management. So they begin to wonder why INEC, as a commission, other than being neutral, is found to be contrary and taking side over an internal matter of NNPP. And for the record, the Federal High Court seated at Oka in Anambra State and Abuja said that the crisis in NNPP should be resolved internally by members. So they regret to note that Senator Rabiu Kwankwaso and other expelled from their party have been deceiving the general public that the NNPP under the leadership of Major Gbes has lost in the various cases. So they begin to wonder how the pronouncement of the court that NNPP leadership crisis is an internal matter of the party translates to loss. They said the Federal High Court have jurisdiction over the party constitution to give direction. So they have approached the Court of Appeal in that regard to demand for a clear statement as to how the internal crisis can be resolved and who does it. So now, according to the statement under the constitution of the NNPP, they said it's the mandate and responsibility of the founder and member of the board as the conscience of the party to take responsibility and resolve the internal crisis. But the court has to say something to add impetus and the force of the law to it to enable resolution, but they have regretted that Federal High Court were not able to do so in the various judgments. On the part of the INEC as a regulator, they say that it shall be an oversight function to deploy alternative dispute resolution, especially when the matter is brought before it formally. But other than that, INEC is found attending and observing an illegal convention of the expelled members. And people don't be small matter. Now they said INEC should have the courage to respond to the letter of the founder and members of the board to facilitate and order the board to take responsibility in resolving the internal crisis. And for the avoidance of doubts, it is on record that Kwankwaso and his splinter group and INEC were duly served with court notice against the illegal convention. So now, they are meant to understand that most times, the chairman of INEC, Yakubu Mahmood, may be shielded from facts of issue and sectional heads, trying to do things on their own without the knowledge of the chairman. So now they are advising the INEC chairman, Yakubu Mahmood, to step up his supervisory role in the management and administration of the commission's statutory responsibility and know when to invoke his residual power to act. The NNPP therefore appealed to Yakubu to attend to the letter written to him by the Board of Trustees of NNPP, requesting that while the case are ongoing in the courts, the life of NNPP should be preserved in the hands of the board. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. See you guys next time till I come your way next.